Ano daw gel ginagamit mo?
Ano ba?
Oo nga,
Bili kami ni Pres Johnny.
naiingit kami ni Sok.
Oo.
Good evening, guys. I'm Calvin Grajeda. I'm the Director for Membership Development.
How was it, getting married and running as a director?
Actually, Sen, it was exciting. What an exciting year
Yeah,
for me
pala.
this year.
Yes.
Actually, siya combination talaga ng struggles, happiness. At the end of the day, bakit ba binibigay sa'yo ni Lord yung mga gantong mga experiences?
What made you agree to commit to this board?
I think yung naging band namin ni na VP Vic nung under ako sa kanya, nung chairman ako sa kanya. Nakita ko sa kanya parang jolly, 'di ba? Barkada. Ako kasi more than anything else kung gagawa ko ng mga bagay, gusto ko yung yung masaya. Tsaka I saw yung lineup na ito mga hindi ko talaga sila nakakasama. Yung first time na nagkasama-sama kami, click agad.
Most memorable project mo this year?
I think yung pinaka-unique in a way is yung yung golf natin. First time kong sumali ng Ryder Cup, tapos director pa ako. So nakita ko, talagang yung band nung group, iba eh. Tsaka going abroad, parang nakita mo yung pag magta-travel tayo sama-sama. Iba eh, parang mafia na iba yung dating eh. Parang family, di ba? Para pag nakita mo, masaya yung kaibigan mo, masaya siya, di ba? I've been a member for like 4 years. So nakita ko yung development din na nabigay sa akin ng JCI, and more than anything else yung friendship na na-build. Members natin, nakita mo, different personalities eh. Pero doon mo talaga makikita paano makisama. Iba yung passion natin when it comes to service, tsaka yung bonding among brothers.